Hi, it's Matthew Hote with Realty One Group in Scottsdale, Arizona. It's Friday, May 8th, and it's kind of a milestone event for us here in Arizona. Today is the first day that certain non-essential businesses can start to reopen as we begin to take baby steps into returning towards some sense of normalcy. As of today, hair salons, which were deemed non-essential before, are now allowed to open. And over the course of the weekend, we're going to see restaurants be able to reopen for in-house dining. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of new rules in place here to ensure social distancing and safety for everybody. But it is a milestone event because it's going to allow us to start gradually returning to whatever this new normal is going to be. So how is this affecting the real estate market right now? The Cromford Market Index, which is what measures the balance between supply and demand, took a steep dive for about a month, and it's gradually flattening out here. Reason for that is we saw a brief spike in active listings about a month ago. And this was caused by a combination of some buyers getting cold feet and pulling out of their contracts. Certain Airbnb owners realized that they just can't pay the mortgage anymore and decided to sell those instead of holding on to them. But that spike in active listings has since flattened out. And we are still well below where we were this time last year. So the reality is supply is still constricted, demand is still much higher than supply is. So for those people who are expecting big declines in pricing, it's just not happening. We don't have any signs of that. In fact, when you go across the country, the National Association of Realtors reported in their survey that 3 out of 4 agents have not reduced their prices over the course of the pandemic. Their sellers are just waiting it out here. And that's what we're seeing here too. People are just waiting it out. There's no big decline in prices. Sure, there's going to be some sellers that are in a hurry to sell, and they're going to reduce their prices really quickly to basically get it off the market. But overall, they're in a small minority, and we're just not seeing any price impact to what's going on here. So we're going to be closely monitoring what happens over the next few weeks here. You'll hear from me week after week. But right now, we're seeing some promising signs as we begin to reopen here in Arizona again. This is Matthew Hote with Realty One Group. Stay safe, stay happy.